today in the lesson, we will continue solving problems when we need to find percentages and relate this to time, i.e. units of time. Let's solve the following problem with you. We need to find 40% of 2.5 hours. What should we do in this case? We have already solved such a problem, i.e. we solved this type of problem in the previous lesson. What do we do? When we see that we need to find 40% of, then we need to multiply, of course. Now, we've looked at a number of ways to find the percent of a number, but we also talked about how you can use any way you want. But the most important thing is that you need to convert hours to minutes first. Because a lot of times you're used to thinking that 1 hour is 100 minutes, but it's not. 1 hour is 60 minutes, so I convert 2.5 hours. I convert to minutes first, and that's 150 minutes. It's only after that I'll use my method. So I'll multiply 40% by 150 minutes. And then divide that by 100%. Once again, in my answer, I have to get the units of time, which in our case is minutes. Or hours. Then the percentages, that is the percent sign, I have to abbreviate. Only in this case you can get the correct answer. I see that the percent sign is shrinking. Next, I divide 40 divided by 20, that would be 2, and 100 divided by 20, that would be 5. I'll take my time and write down that leaves me with 2 times 150 minutes. And divide by 5, here I reduce 150 and 5, and the result I have left is 150 divided by 5, that would be 30, and 2 times 30, that would be 60 minutes. So in the answer we got 60 minutes. We can basically convert 60 minutes into hours, and I'll write it down as 1. An hour. So in your answer you can either give it in minutes or in hours. And there's one more problem that we're going to work out with you. It goes like this. If I have 60%, that's 15 minutes. So 60% is 15 minutes. Is 15 minutes. What is 100%? Or this problem sounds like this. 60% of it is equal to 15 minutes. And we need to find this unit. That is this time we need to find. That is, we need to find 100%. 60% is 15 minutes. So, in this case, what do we need to do? Let's apply our calculation algorithm with you. And in this case, what do we need to remember? In this case, I have from, then also we multiply. If I'm talking about that a percentage is a number, then in that case I'm dividing. And what are we going to divide by what? We're going to divide 15 divided by 60%. 15 minutes. I will divide by 60% and after that multiply by 100. Remembering that in this case, when we're looking from, we divide by 100%, and in this case, we multiply because we need to find that 100%. Again, even though we're multiplying by a percent, I'm going to have the percentages reduced. Next, 15 and 60, I can also reduce by 15. Here it will be 1, and here it will be 4. And then I have 1 multiplied by 100 and divided by 4. And 100 divided by 4, that would be 25 minutes. So, in this problem, if I take 60% of 25 minutes, that equals 15 minutes. And we had to do the opposite. In principle, we have already analyzed such problems with you. At the next lesson, we'll analyze more interesting problems. And that's all for today. Goodbye, see you again.